He said to me, like, how dare you sue me? I will file bankruptcy before I'll give you a penny.
Denver 7 Investigates has been reporting customer horror stories about Schwalb Builders, like what you just heard, for almost 2 years now.
The father-son duo faces criminal charges and multiple civil cases. Some have been dragging on for years.
So tonight, our consumer investigator, Jacqueline Allen, is asking, is justice being delayed?
There has been a complete breakdown in communications.
The twists and turns in the court cases against Sean Schwalb and his father Avi Schwalb shine a light on how the wheels of justice really do turn slowly.
They ruined our lives. Every time I think about it, it angers me.
For almost 2 years, Denver 7 Investigates has reported on multiple homeowners saying Schwalb Builders took their money and took off.
But when people would pay money, he basically treated it like an ATM.
But almost a year after the father-son duo was indicted on felony theft and organized crime charges, Sean Schwalb still has not been arraigned.
I already in touch.
Our cameras were there last month when his latest attorney withdrew from the case. The AG's office would not comment on an ongoing criminal case, but in court officially protested another setback.
They'll want to delay trial for as long as possible.
MSU Denver criminology professor Denise Matter is a former prosecutor and tells me this is a common delay tactic.
More than likely, they're going to fire their attorney, and that is the most common thing. The problem is the victims of this crime. Those are the people who are being hurt the most, because not only is their day in court being delayed, they have to live in this limbo.
And while Sean did not respond to us,
your call has been forwarded.
His father, Avi, pleaded not guilty, and his defense attorney wrote, Avi adamantly denies that he was involved in any scheme to defraud homeowners.
This is an extreme example of how you can abuse the legal system.
Attorney Jason Krieger represents several people suing members of the Schwalb family. Says Avi filed bankruptcy to delay the civil cases just before a trial began.
What did that mean for your clients when he filed bankruptcy?
Everything had to stop. This is somebody who is very sophisticated in manipulating the legal system to delay and to delay, but justice ultimately will be served.
Krieger says the bankruptcy case may have backfired for Avi, though, because courts have since ruled the civil cases can move forward, and a trustee will now be going after Avi's assets.
We can't put it behind us.
For families left waiting, every delay feels like a setback, but they say they'll be ready when their day in court finally comes. Jacqueline Allen for Denver 7 Investigates.
It's so frustrating. Thank you, Jacqueline, for staying on top of that story. And Jacqueline is committed to finding solutions for consumers and holding businesses like this one accountable. So if you have a story you want her to investigate, scan the QR code on your screen to get in touch, or email her directly at jacqueline.allen@denver7.com.